Wanted to share a quick tip for all your Mac users on how you can add a little color to your folders, whether it's in a form of an actual emoji or with something more subtle by adding this type of graphic that kind of looks like an emoji but blends in with the folder color more. And to do this, you can pick any folder and then right-click it. You're probably familiar with how you can add these color tags to your folder, so if you wanted to highlight your folder red, you can highlight it red, right? Or we can remove the red and take it a little further. Under those color tags, you'll see an option to customize the folder. So you're going to click that, and here we have more options. You can still do the color labels from here, and this is actually a slightly larger menu, making it easier to manage those color tags. But here, you'll also have all those graphics and icons that you can add to the folder. On the top, you'll have all the subtle ones that add a graphic, but maintain the standard folder color, more or less. And there's a lot to choose from. You can only have one at a time, and then on the bottom, you can clear it. If you want a little more color, you can open the emoji grid, and here you'll have all your standard emojis in full color. So you could pick them from the list, or just use the search and type in what you're looking for. And with that, your folder now has a new look. Just wanted to share this real quick, kind of a cool way to personalize your folders. Let me know if this helps, share your folder customizing tips in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.